Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Augie and I've got a Japanese crate. I think it was called,
It's got all the things. Bokksu or something like that.
Yeah, Bokksu crate from Japan. And since my son enjoys all things Japanese, I invited him over so we can try some of these goodies out. I've never had this before. I don't know how well I'll like it, but I'm sure he'll like most of it. In fact, he'll eat just about anything, so I think we're good there. So if you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button down below. Ring that bell to get notified of any upcoming videos, and we're going to get started. Okay, let's see. Open this up. First we have the Seasons of Japan Bokksu Culture Guide. And it probably explains, welcome to Bokksu, Seasons of Japan, spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Probably explains what each of the items are, yeah. So we'll go through this as we pull each item out. So, a thank you card. And I don't try a lot of different things, so I'm not very cultured, I guess. But
No, you don't try a whole lot of anything.
organic matcha. Is that a type of a tea?
Yeah.
Yeah, Japanese green tea. Well, we probably won't be trying any tea today, but
Yeah,
we'll put that aside. Here's another of the same thing. Okay, let's see what this is. Ooh. Hokkaido red bean donuts. I like the word donut, so there's two here.
Red bean, it's a paste on the inside, it's supposed to be sweet. Give it a shot.
Yeah, go ahead and open that up. What's that little packet? Is that just to keep it?
Oxygen absorber.
Oh, okay. So here
Something
we go.
You don't eat.
Let me turn this toward you a little bit more. A little dry. Not bad, but I'm in my drink over there. It's really dry.
I'm still working on mine.
Oh, you popped the whole thing in your mouth?
I thought it would be a little easier than that.
It didn't taste bad. It just was. It didn't have much flavor at all, and it just was
not sweet like I expected. It's
it was,
a little earthy,
and it was really dry. It like sucked all the moisture out of your mouth. Okay, next we have, what are these called? I bet you they're some sort of rice candy, because they.
Does it say on there for?
Ooh, seaweed tempura? No. Is there a name on there?
Echigo Saika?
Hame Dondu Yaki Yuzi Saka. That's it.
Like
This candy
like
is
Cheeto, but
handcrafted from the artisans at Demanji exclusively for Bokksu. Our version blends Yazu juice and peel with sake for a refreshing citrus candy. Contains 0.1% alcohol.
It's almost like a
Is it all going to melt?
hard cotton candy. It'll just disappear. That's really good. I'm gonna have another. Oops.
I don't like the powder on the outside.
No, well, powder on the outside's okay, but
Okay.
Mm.
He
I'll
likes
eat the
it.
rest.
He's going to eat the rest.
Okay, what's next?
Next, we have Yazusaka King. Oh, that's what I thought that was.
No, this was like.
So what I just read, this is.
This is right here. Mochi puffs.
Mochi puffs. Oh, mochi? I've heard of mochi before. What's mochi? That's a word.
That's like a.
Yeah, of course, it's a word.
Sweet a sweet of some sort, but.
Open that. We share one of these.
What were these?
These are what I thought that last thing was.
Oh, I wasn't listening to what you were saying. So.
Yeah, hold on. Handmade yuzu sake candy.
Oh, I like sake.
And that has 0.1% alcohol. This is
Good. That's really good. You can almost use those as
that
cough
is
drops.
really good. Ah. Oh,
So I'm taking that one home, right?
no, you take another one home.
Oh.
It'll take me forever to finish this off because
Yeah,
I can't chew it.
Just set it on the side. I'm not going to chew mine. That's a good flavor.
That does taste really good. That's my favorite so far. These are the same thing, those puffs.
Yeah. So I'll take those home.
Okay. This almost looks like an ice cream, but it's not. Can you read what that is?
Sitochi Sriracha.
Oh, seaweed tempura. Go for it. Let me know what you think.
What's a tempura?
Tempura is like the breading on giant shrimp, tempura shrimp.
Okay. Okay.
So it's breaded,
Breaded seaweed?
seaweed.
So seaweed crackers.
Yeah, basically.
Okay.
And that, yeah, you can see seaweed on that side and then the breading on the other side.
Ooh. Mmm.
Is it good?
Mmm. It's a little salty.
I can't do much sodium, so I'll just take
half a cracker then.
Oh, it's very salty. Ooh.
Very fishy.
Mm-hmm. Not for me.
I'll take those home.
Okay.
That'll be a good snack. It almost gives a flavor like salmon.
Let me find it
That
while
one's
you
supposed to
hold
be-
that. Hold that. That is black sesame taiko. Kumaman design. Each of these drums are handmade in Kumamoto, hometown of Kumaman, by roasting almonds and sesame seeds and mixing them by hand with muzamic sugar syrup over heat. They're then pressed in the discs and left to cool.
I feel like this isn't supposed to be eaten like this. I feel like it's supposed to be... Because that's like, it's mostly sesame seed.
Yeah.
I don't think you're supposed to just chunk into that.
Why?
Do you want to give it a try?
Yeah, just break a little piece off. And I'll have
Okay. I feel like we're going to regret this one.
Black.
There's a little piece. Kind of comes off in crumbs, but...
That's not bad.
Okay, yeah. Maybe you could chunk into that. Want to take a bigger piece?
Yeah, a little bit. No, that's hard though.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
It's not something I would eat every day or every week, but it's good. You can keep this one.
We'll give Mom a try.
She'd like it. Okay, what's next?
Okay. I gotta get this out of my mouth still. Whoop.
Save the cookie.
Save the cookie for last. The almond cookie. Oh, apple caramel sake sable cookie. Okay, what's that?
This looks like it's fish crackers, but it doesn't say on here. I'm gonna look through the book. I think it's fish crackers.
While I'm doing that, will you grab my napkin right next to my...
That one?
No, that's up there on top of the licorice. There's a napkin right there.
Oh.
Yeah, I can't get through that.
What, the sesame?
Yeah. Just because I don't have teeth to chew them with.
Oh, they have one of those in there?
Well,
What's that? This is supposed to be really good.
is that what that is?
No.
Go back to the beginning.
Right there. Rice cracker.
Oh, okay. Rice cracker, that sounds good. Kind of salty.
A little bit, yeah.
That's a pass for me. That's sodium and that'd kill me. Go back to sucking on my candy.
Yeah, I'd rather have that in my mouth right now, but setting aside for now. What's next?
We're waiting on the cookie. Got 2 of these. What are they called?
This is probably going to be tea again, I would imagine. Or tea related.
Matcha chocolate stick? No.
No. No.
Edamame senbei. Made with summer harvested edamame bits baked into the cracker.
No, it's
The
another
senbei
cracker.
is sprinkled with something roasted soybean powder and has a delicious nutty crunch. We'll find out. I'll just take a piece of that one. That way we don't open both of them.
That's salty too.
Is it?
They like their salt.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
I'd eat that before I ate that last one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Set that aside.
Oh, Dandu Yaki. Named after the sound of the beating taiko drums heard throughout festivals in Japan. These savory, read salty, senbei are fried and marinated in a sauce for a flavor that is tangy, peppery, and a little sweet.
I don't know how well you can do peppers with sweet. We'll see. These are hard to open.
It's weird. That's
a unique flavor. You can have that one. That's
It's not bad, but it's weird.
It's not something I'd ever want to taste again. It's like almost like a sweet and sour kind of deal.
That's gonna be. That's a fish on it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
it's gonna be like what are those?
Here, show that's.
Yeah. What are those Girl Scout cookies called? The What are they called?
I don't know if any fishy Girl Scout
No,
cookie.
it's not fishy, but it's shaped.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's going to be like one of those.
Thai or red snapper are associated with New Year's celebrations, a symbol of good fortune. This snack shares that lucky shape, but is filled with an airy chocolate mousse. And the two mochi wafers are a nod to a more traditional Japanese sweet.
And the
This
more
might not
traditional
be
one
bad.
has that red bean paste inside of it.
Okay.
So it's going to be hard to do with the chocolate. I would definitely eat more of that.
That's not bad.
That's not bad. That's really good. That's really good.
Yeah, good. Good
The
mama
outside's
bite.
airy and
Good mama
flaky,
bite.
and the inside's full of delicious
Is
chocolate.
this the same thing? No.
Very open one look.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's right there.
I'm going to save all the rest of it. She's going to really like that chocolate.
This one's kind of scary looking. I'm guessing cute Selectron. Let me see what that is. I'm guessing seaweed.
You're supposed to wash the dishes with it, I think.
Matcha chocolate stick cake.
Oh.
This cake uses matcha from Uju, Kyoto, which is known for high quality matcha.
You're going to like this one.
Pairing earthy matcha with bittersweet chocolate chips gives this cake a rich, subtle, sweet flavor.
Yeah, you're going to
Okay.
like this one. If I can ever open it. Do you have a knife?
Yeah,
It'll make life a lot easier.
I do unboxings at this desk. I got a
I
knife.
hope you'd have a knife. What? You chipped off the tip?
No. What?
There's no tip on it.
I don't know. There used to be a
You must
tip
have
on-
lost it in one of your boxes.
Yeah.
It's gone.
Oh. Here, take a piece of this just in case.
Just in case.
You save a little bit of that for Mom. You
No,
can
I'm
have
going to save the rest of it. She's going to like this one too. That's really good. I'm going to actually take a little bit more. It's so hard to get in here. Well,
Yep,
the floor's going to take some too.
Put it back in the bag. That was good.
That was really good. Okay, I'm going to set the stuff that's hidden for her over here.
Okay. All right. Next, we're down to the last few things here. Have we done one of these yet? No. What is that?
We're going to be the... it's like flavored wonton noodles type of deal. What is it? I don't know the name.
Is it that one?
That's
Stick
this one.
potato super mucho plum. Like an ode to the Japanese plum tree, every bite of these thin, crispy potato sticks carries the floral notes of plump blossoms, the sweetness of something pickled plum, and this earthiness of shisho.
It's open enough. And
Okay.
oh, that's really sweet. It's almost vinegary.
Yeah, you got a sweet and tangy at the same time.
Whoops.
I'll try another one of these.
These are the kind of snacks that you wouldn't sit there all day eating them,
No.
but they would be gone as soon as you open them.
I don't know if
A
they'd
bag
be
that
gone.
small, I would eat that in 5 minutes. That's a good flavor. You want to save that one for Mom too?
Yeah, you can eat more of it, but we'll give some to Mom.
I'll eat more downstairs.
What's this?
That's gonna be a chocolate, I think.
Pear fromage bisque. Let's see. 20th century pear. Whoop. Dang. There we go. 20th century pear langue de chat. This delicate biscuit is a luxurious blend of 20th century Asian pear, rich cheese, and decadent white chocolate. Okay. That's good.
That goes in Mom's pile.
That's really good. Okay, so we got, these are white strawberry, and what are these? Dangu mochi. Which should we do first?
These are going to be kind of like, that one was a mochi ball, right?
What?
No, that was a donut. Which one was the mochi balls? These. It's going to be kind of like these.
Okay. Not at all.
No?
Those are good.
Oh, really, really.
Sticky rice dumplings commonly enjoyed during the spring. I'll even finish the rest of that. That was good. Okay. And we got these white strawberries. But let's have the cookie next. That's probably upside down. This is an almond cookie, so this should be good. That's good.
I don't know if that would be my first choice for a cookie. I don't think it would be. It's a good cookie, though.
Yeah, it's not. It's really soft and moist. Unlike an American cookie, which is usually firmer and crisper.
Set
Okay.
aside for Mom, or you want to eat the rest?
The Mom have some. I guess this is the next thing where these white strawberry. I don't know if we should each open one.
No, just open the one, because I'm not too keen on strawberries.
Yeah,
So, we'll
probably
see what it is.
Probably going to be my favorite thing in the box.
Oh, probably. Oh, that's a freeze-dried strawberry. Or a dehydrated.
Is it?
Yeah, that's an actual strawberry right there.
Oh.
Take a chunk out of it. I'm not going to eat it. I don't do strawberry.
Okay, I'm going to cut it in half. This is the world's first chocolate-infused strawberry. Strawberries are harvested, freeze-dried, infused with white chocolate, and cooled for a chocolate with all the flavors of a fresh strawberry.
They good?
Yeah, very strawberry. And that's my favorite flavor.
I only do fake strawberries. I don't do real strawberries.
I'll save that. And I think that was it.
Let's save the other one
We
for
got
Mom.
these are.
We got another one of these.
Well,
This one's going home with me. I'm going to need the rest of that bag.
which one? This one?
No, the sake balls.
These?
Yeah.
No.
Alright.
I'll give you a couple of them.
This one's going to last me a few hours.
So, overall, what did you think?
7.5 out of 10. Except for the stuff that's good. That's a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, these.
Those are really
These
good.
are probably my favorite. That and
The chocolates, the
these
chocolate
and
fish.
the strawberry. That's my favorite things.
Well, what about the fish?
The fish.
That was good. With the chocolate inside?
Oh, that was good too.
That was really good.
So about half of the stuff I really liked. The rest is
So
a
the
little
stuff that
on
wasn't
the,
salty you liked.
Yeah, the
And anything with salt
not
you didn't.
salty or fishy, and I liked it.
Some of the salty stuff was okay. You know, like those were good.
I wasn't a big fan of those because of the powder
I'll
on
eat
the
'em.
outside. You can have
I'll
them.
eat them. I'll eat them all.
All right, so thank you for watching. Comments down below. Let me know if you've tried this box before or any of these items, and let me know down in the comments. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day.